Hello and welcome to a Cles Hunter 1 tutorial. This is my website, codefreaks.co.uk. On CodeFreaks you can post questions or answers about any of your coding problems. That's web or desktop and includes Blender. If you have any hardware or software problems you can also post them too, and we'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. That's codefreaks.co.uk. Let's open Blender. Today we're going to do a tutorial on how to make grass. This can also be applied to hair and other sort of things like that. So first we're going to delete our default cube, press X key and press enter. We're going to insert a plane, space, add, mesh, plane, and we're just going to make it a bit bigger with the S key. Now we're going to be making grass by using static particles. So if we go into object mode, press the tab key, and we'll go down to object mode in the buttons panel, click the physics button and click new in the particles panel. These are going to be static particles, so they won't be moving. As you can see, we've now got little dots on our cube where the grass will be coming up. So let's rotate our cube a bit so we can see it in a 3D angle. And we obviously want a bit more grass than that, so we'll pop the amount up to about 63,000 is about right. Now, to make the grass actually stand up off the plane, we're going to go to particle motion and put our velocity normal to 0.004 and press enter. And we've got a nice sort of grass height here. And we're also going to put the randomness to 0.004 as well. As you can see, it's looking quite bushy now and a bit more grass-like, although it is white. We're going to colour our grass now by going to the shading tab, add new, and we'll make it a dark green and press enter to select that. If we just go to camera view by pressing 0, we got a different view of our grass, and we'll do a quick render by pressing F12. And there's our grass render. So as you can see, it's a bit patchy and there isn't any floor, it seems to be floating. So if we just escape from that, go to top view by pressing the 7 key and zoom out a little bit. We're going to go and press space now, add mesh plane, we're adding another plane, and we're going to make that same size as our grass. And we're going to go into object mode with that selected and go to the shading button, click add new and change the colour to a browny green and press enter. So now we'll have a bit of turf under it. I think we want some more grass as well. So we'll go right click on the grass and go to object mode in the buttons panel and put our amount up a bit more until it looks about right. So I've got my grass at 72,000 now, and we'll do another render, F12. And there's our nice rendered grass. You can tweak the amount up a bit more, as you see it's still patchy. If you wanted to give the effect of wind on it, you can go to particle motion and add force to the X, Y or Z axis. So if we just add some force to the X axis and move our screen, you can see it looks extremely windswept there, or we can just decrease that and it just looks like it's being blown in the wind then to one side. That about covers it for today. Hope you learned something about particle motion and static particles. Check back later for some more tutorials. Thanks for watching.